Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about 2026, how the law of attraction works. Most of the time, people think just sit down and wait for the law of attraction to work. Yeah, it will work, but most of the time, our thoughts and feelings are negative. And definitely, we're going to keep attracting negative circumstances, negative people, negative whatever you don't want. And then we think, oh, law of attraction doesn't work. According to with my testimonial, what I have studied and what I'm studying every single day, law of attraction is working day and night. So we have to understand the process. So law of attraction is working 24 hours. That's first thing you have to know that. Yeah, definitely it is working. But there is a process how you can use the law of attraction according to what do you want as your personal goals, professional goals, whatever you're trying to attract using the law of attraction, you have to have the goals first. Personal goals, professional goals. So make a goal like one personal, one professional on the goal card. And then second thing, you have to know everything works according to the universal laws. Laws means there is a laws in the universe world. Everything works according to the laws. I'm going to give you one example, then you can understand these laws are working just after day, night comes, after night, day comes. Like there is a true energy, negative and positive. Most of the time, our thoughts are negative and our feelings are negative. But only very some occasion we think positive and we feel positive. This is how the mind works. We're trying to protect everything. And then we're trying to use the law of attraction, and everything's working as a negative. So there is a negative pole and positive pole, and we must be thinking as our thoughts as a positive, and of course our emotions as a positive, because most of the time people think I'm a very positive person, but their emotions are not positive. They're not feeling good about something or about themselves. And if they're feeling emotionally negative, that's what you're going to keep attracting, because your emotions is attraction as a law of vibration. So I don't want to go too deep. All you have to understand, we are attracting according to how we think as our thoughts, and how we feel about those thoughts, or our emotions. What are they feeling? And we're going to attract everything according to our emotions. And then once we got the goals, then we have to take the action. Action is a reaction, cause and effect, give and receive. So there is an action you have to take every single day. Action means the right formation. You have to uh, around your goals, personal goals or professional goals, you have to take an action. Which most of the time people they just sit down and waiting for the results to change. And of course they will change for like short period of time, but not for like on a deeper level. Like if you want to have the change, you have to change yourself. And and another thing, people think to get something is not about getting, it's about growing. When we start to grow, and everything start to grow outside according to law of attraction, how we think and how we feel. The action is the growth. Action is like you are planting the seeds, and you're watering it, and you're fertilizing it, you're taking the weeds out, and you're taking care of that seed. Your goals are like a seed. You're going to take action around your goals, and then you have to take the action according to the laws, either negative or positive. So which energy you are putting on your goals every single day, negative or positive? Your thoughts and feelings are they negative or positive? So that is your feed, and taking the weeds out of your goals, like You don't want to entertain yourself with the negativity surrounding yourself. So that you have to shut your ears and eyes from the any negativity, and you have to focus on the positive. This is the reason we have to have a goal. If we don't have the goals, our mind is going to think in 100 different directions, thinking in 100 different direction. And this is the reason we are attracting so many things in our life, and something we don't even like it, and then we don't know how to change it, and then we start to think law of attraction doesn't work for me. Law of attraction is working, as I said, just after day comes, after day night comes, law of attraction is working 24 hours. But how we are thinking as our thoughts, and how our programming is in the subconscious mind, that the behavior, the beliefs we are believing, this is the reason we keep attracting the same thing. So this is the reason we have to study every single day. We have to take the action every single day to override it. You override your paradigm, you overwriting your beliefs, so you become that person, whatever you're trying to have or do or create in your life, and using a law of attraction. So let me say that law of attraction is working all the time. So you have to have a personal goals and professional goals, and you have to work with the universal laws, and the laws are working all the time. And then you have to take a action. Action is a reaction and cause and effect, and give and receive. So without these composites, this is the reason law of attraction not going to work for you. And if you stay with that circle, the composite of using these um, three things like action, and of course you have to have a goals, and then according to universal laws, if you are using law of attraction, definitely going to work for you. Some people think you don't have to do anything. Yes, that is the growth. Some people haven't grown. Some people, they have grown. Example, for myself, I'm still growing, even though I am aware of this information. I'm aware of the how the law of attraction works, but still I am growing every single day. That doesn't mean you know the information and you have grown. No, you're growing every single day, just like a plants and the trees, and they are growing every single day according to the how we're taking care of it. It's the same. Our mind is. We are growing every single day. People. Most of the time, what happens? People don't take action. Their focus is not there, and then they're trying to use it, trying to use the law of attraction. Your focus 100% be on your goals, and you should be taking action every single day. And you have to be the courage to do things you don't like doing, or you haven't used to. And this is the reason we have to get used to taking the action every single day according to the universal laws. Hopefully this YouTube going to help you. And please leave your comments if you do need a help around your personal goals and professional goals. I can help you with that. And leave your comments and send me the message, and I can help you with your goals, personal goals and professional goals. And of course, if you got any other questions around the law of attraction, I can answer them also. And so law of attractions are working all the time, but we have to know how the law of attraction is working. And so it's all about the growth. The growth is from inside, not from outside in. Most of the time, we're trying to do things, whatever's happening around the circumstances. We're trying to do things from outside. Outside means whatever is happening around, but law of attraction is working from inside out. Inside means out, from within you. And within you, you're gonna grow, and within you, you're going to change. And this is the reason we say living from inside out, not from outside in. Most of the time, we are living from outside in, and whatever the circumstances, we're trying to force, we're trying to change, and nothing going to change. And more we force things, more we the force gonna hit us back, because that is a law. What we give, we're gonna always gonna receive back. So it's a law, okay? So everything works according to the laws. People are not aware of 99% people are not aware of these laws, and they're trying to force things, they're trying to change things. And so that's all I wanted to say. And thank you for watching the YouTube. And have a great day. If you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up and leave your comments. What do you think about the law of attraction? Is it working for you, or you still trying to work how the law of attraction works? And if you have any question around the law of attraction, please leave your comments. And your comment is important for me. And thank you and have a great day. 2026 is make sure is for you, okay? Using the law of attraction. And that's what I'm doing. I'm working around my business, and I am changing every single day. I'm still changing every single day. I mean, it's ongoing growth. Thank you and bye.